Every kiosk needs a simple way for users to type on the screen. But in public systems, physical keyboards are often missing or impractical. When typing isn't available, users get stuck and often leave. Typing should always be available directly on the screen. This is a simple on-screen keyboard built for kiosks and shared Windows systems. It lets users type directly on the touch screen. The keyboard opens with one click without settings or technical support. It works reliably across Windows applications and locked kiosk environments.
It is used in shopping mall kiosks, hotel check-ins, online grocery store, and shared systems. The layout is optimized for touch, making typing smooth and responsive. It is lightweight and easy to deploy using the downloaded zip file. This tool is developed by Rao Information Technology for real business environments. It is completely free with no license or expiry. Download the free on-screen keyboard and use it wherever reliable typing is needed.